Unveiling the Mystery. What does blackguard mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the wonders of the English language, one word at a time. Today, we're going to explore a less common but intriguing word, blackguard. Stick around to learn not just what it means, but how to understand its usage in different contexts. Whether you're an English learner or just love to expand your vocabulary, this word is sure to add a flair to your language arsenal. Let's delve into the history of the word, blackguard. Originating from the 16th century, this term has a colorful past. Initially, it referred to kitchen staff, and over time, it came to describe a person of disreputable character. Understanding a word's origin can often give us insights into its contemporary usage and connotations. Now, what exactly does blackguard mean? In modern English, it is used to describe someone who is known for being dishonest, corrupt, or of bad character. It's a rather old-fashioned term, evoking images of dastardly villains in historical novels. However, it can still be relevant today when discussing characters in literature or even in real-life situations involving deceitful behavior. Learning to use blackguard correctly can be quite satisfying. Here are a few examples to get you started. The townspeople regarded the thief as a blackguard and shunned him. In her novel, the author introduces a charming blackguard who deceives the main character. Don't be such a blackguard. Cheating is never acceptable. In these sentences, blackguard acts as a noun representing a person with negative attributes. To expand your vocabulary further, it's great to know some synonyms. Words like scoundrel, rogue, and villain are synonymous with blackguard. These synonyms can often be used interchangeably, but the choice of word may depend on the context and the specific shade of meaning you wish to convey. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has shed some light on the word blackguard, and that you feel confident using it in your conversations and writing. Remember, learning English is an adventure, and each new word is a treasure to discover. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.